Hi and welcome to the presentation of Case Study 3 of Construction Systems 1. What you see here is a model of the scale 1 to 50 of the famous Säynätsalo town hall in Finland by the architect Lara. In our model we focus on the council chamber part of the building, showing different materials and constructions. The whole model consists of three parts. The council chamber, you see here, a piece of the garden, and the two different floor elevations. The whole building the whole council chamber consists of a Flemish bond of bricks with copper roof, as you can see here, and wood frames, as you can see here, which creates the council chamber 17 meter high. From the exterior of our model, you see the brick retaining walls and the copper roofs. This brickwork is even used on the inside with the collaboration of wood interior. The copper roofs here are very interesting because they are made of folded copper plates that prevents the water from entering the cantilever section. Above the roof you see here a continuity of the copper roof that is actually joined inside the walls. That is called a flashing, and what it does is to prevent the water of running down the facade of the face of the wall from penetrating the roof. That is a very efficient system due to the rainy weather of Scandinavia. In the back of the council chamber, in this part here, you see another drainage system which conveys the water from the roof. Alto made this beautiful folded roof that you see here, which gathers the water into this drain here. This water will later go down to the soil through filter layers and be collected in a drainage pipe to be transported to a public or private treatment facility. In the biggest window opening you see here, a wooden frame is used of several fixed windows that are covered from the inside by vertical and horizontal shutters. These shutters are used to prevent direct sunlight and glare while preserving the outside view and admitting soft, diffused light. We cut off a facade here in order to show sections and important details. We remove this building in order to focus on the details. On the floor slabs we used hard plastic material to represent the concrete slabs, as you see the different elevations. And then we covered them with cardboard in order to represent the wooden floor. Another interesting section we see here is the wall. It consists of approximated dimensions of 12 centimeters of brickwork, 5 centimeters of capillary, 14 centimeters of isolation, and other layers of example wind protection and plaster that are very thin and barely visible. And lastly, another layer of brickwork which makes the interior. The interior is covered with brickwork until it reaches the high ceiling made of wood. The roof is held by two parallel wood beams that share the same shape and size, as you can see here. These beams are connected to a group of bars, becoming the great invention of Aalto's butterfly truss. Now we are gonna talk about the butterfly trusses, and we made butterfly trusses out of the building to explain this. We have 3 main beams in horizontal. Then we have 3 wooden tie beam that decrease the strain of the main beam. Then we have a steel joint in which are glued the joists. We have 16 joists, and then we have the secondary beams to support the roof. This model was made by Tarek, Lara, Bañares, and Alessio, Castagna. And thank you for watching.